All right, guys, just wanted to make a quick video. Found a neat little thing about the Kickstand Bypass sensor from Tim's Stereo Systems that will allow you to keep your screen on when you shut your bike off if you have the sensor installed on your bike. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to start your bike with the motor running. Say you went for a ride, stopped at a gas station. When you're going to want to shut your bike off but still leave the stereo on so that you can fill up, what you're going to do is press and hold this button before you shut the bike off. So again, bike's running, you press and hold this button, you shut your bike off, and then you can just turn the ignition switch back on. You do not have to start the motor while still holding this. Once you turn the ignition on, you can let go of that button and your screen is going to stay on the entire time. Once you finish filling up the bike or doing whatever you want to do or whatever you're doing, you're just going to go ahead and start the bike by pressing it one time down again. So I'm going to show that all to you guys right now. All right, so I'm going to get the bike started. Going to let it do its loading process. Now I do have the bike in neutral. My kickstand is up right now. Going to go ahead and start it. Going to press and hold the trip button. You're going to see that panel on the right kind of disappear on my screen. Still pressing and holding that button. I'm going to shut the bike off. So the bike is off. Screen is still on. I'm still pressing and holding that button. Now I'm just going to turn that on but not start the motor. We're going to let go of this button. And you notice the screen never turned off during that. So it's a nice little added benefit to the Tim's Stereo Systems Kickstand Bypass sensor. It allows you to keep the screen on. And like I said, once you're all filled up or done doing whatever you're doing and you're ready to go, just going to press this and the bike's going to start. Screen will stay on. That's it. If you guys like the video, please like the video. Subscribe to the channel. It is free, costs you absolutely nothing, and helps me out tremendously. And if you guys are interested in picking up the Tim's Stereo Systems Kickstand Bypass sensor, I will have a link to a video I made about what it does, and I will link his information below as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Ride safe.